How to fix the error 0xc00022 on Windows 11 or the application was unable to start correctly error. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will fix an error when your application was unable to start correctly in Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, in your Windows, navigate to the search bar and then search for registry editor. Right click on it, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes. Now once you're here, navigate to your left hand side and from there click on the add key local machine. It's gonna expand. Again, from here navigate to software and expand it more. Once you're on the software, here search for Microsoft and expand it again. Now again look for Windows NT and expand it more. Here it is, expand it, and then again go to current version. Now under this you have to look for a folder that is software protection. Scroll down. So from here you have to right click on software protection, or you can simply double click on it. After you do that, you will have this kind of interface here. From here navigate to skip VM and then right click on it. Then click on modify. Now under here you have to set the value data as 1 and then click on OK. Once that, now you can close this registry editor and then restart your device. After you have restart, your error will be fixed. So that's how you can fix an error that is the 0xc00022 on Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.